What's going on, guys, man? It's Rosie here, man. You know what I'm saying, man? I'm finna teach you guys how to swipe like Bandman, Keva, and TJ. You know what I'm saying? Just some real quick tutorial because I don't see any actual videos on how to swipe. I have my Telegram link down below. I'll have everything in my Telegram group chat that you need in order to swipe, and all the software that you need also. So let's go ahead and get this tutorial started, guys. This is for educational purposes only. I'm just gonna let you guys know that now. Educational purposes only. Let's get it. Alright, the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is that we're gonna go to MSRX. You know what I'm saying? And we're gonna erase whatever I got on here, because I don't know what I have on this card. What I have on it at all. Oh crap, I got it fixed backwards. There we go. Now I'm gonna take the dump that I made, the track 2 that I made, guys. I made it, by the way, just for the sake of the tutorial. That's track 2. If you guys don't know how to make a track 1 from track 2, I'm going to show you now. We're gonna do B, and we're gonna do the track. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna put the track in there, and now we're gonna delete the minus sign, up arrow key, slash, and then another up arrow. Only do this if you don't have the name. Only if you don't have the name. 1, 2, 3, 4. You're gonna put 4 zeros behind 201. Sorry for the background noise. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You're gonna put 6 zeros behind the last set of numbers. 6 zeros, guys. And then what we're gonna do is we're gonna write it now. Alright, swipe it again just to make sure. Alright. That's the end of that part, guys. It's quicker to just get that one out the way. Alright, what we're gonna do now, guys, is that we're gonna put our Omni key back. We're gonna put our Jacob card back in the Omni key. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna select the ATR. By the way, guys, if you don't see the ATR that you need, you can just, you know, look around. I got a full ATR list that you guys could possibly want. Also IST files, which also comes in the package deal. So what I'm going to do is now, as you can see, Chase has already popped up right here for the sake of tutorial. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to re-click it, and there goes the ATR right there. There's a whole list that you need. Like, it's a whole list that comes with this software, so it's really good. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to set it. You have to set it a couple times. I don't know if that's just me or anybody else, but I don't know. That's just mine. I don't know. It's weird. But it still works at the end of the day, so I don't really care that much. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to go to card peek. We're going to go to ATR. So as you can see, it did not set yet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to check it again. Alright, as you guys can see, it says Chase Bank right there. Chase Bank. That's what you want it to say. Now, at the end of the day, guys, it doesn't have to say that. You just need the ATR. It does not need to say that at all. It's not that you didn't do it right. It's the fact that you just don't, the bank is just not on there. So you can customize ATR. That's basically what the customize is for. So just make that very clear. Alright. We're done with this. We don't need the ATR 2.0 no more. Just throw that to the side. Minimize this. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go to downloads. We're going to go to JCOP. We're going to go to JCOP. And then we're going to delete our files. That's exactly what we're going to do. Let that delete. Alright. We're going to exit out of this. And we're going to reopen it, guys. Make sure you reopen it. And what we're going to do now is we're going to take our track 2 and we're going to put it right here. That's what we're going to do. We're going to put it right here. Make sure you add zeros at the end of it so you can't add no more. And then we're going to format it. Let it format it with success. Now you're going to see this little light bulb pop up. Alright, now what it's going to do is, okay, most of the time it doesn't do this, guys, by the way. It doesn't do this. So everybody is different at the time. Everybody is different. I'm just going to say that now. Everybody's is different. Alright, now that it's saved, everything worked perfectly fine. Your Omni key should still have a light. I prefer to wait until the light is off. Okay, now my light is off. Alright, we're going to exit out of that. Now we're going to go to X2. Now that X2 is up, what we're going to do now is we're going to put our track 2 right here, and we're going to add the zeros, guys. Make sure you add the zeros. The AID, which is 31010, country code 0840, the currency code, which is 0840, and the pin that I made up is 9421. Alright, the card holder doesn't matter, guys. Just put a space. Make sure you click on the erase holder name. In the application, it should always be capitalized, Visa, credit, and discretionary. Make sure you keep that up right here. As you can know, it's going to delete, but make sure you keep that. I'm going to tell you guys what to do later on. And then we're going to put the date. So the date would be the first 4 numbers, 2202. So that would be the 22nd. Oh, wait. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. That's the expiration date, the yearly date. Now what we're going to do is we're going to do 02. There is 28 days in February, guys, so we're going to do 28. And now what we're going to do is we're going to press credit. Alright, we completed the job. Now what we're going to do now is, guys, we're going to go here and we're going to copy everything over. Okay, we're going to copy everything over. Put the card holder's name, and click that. Do another space. We're going to do Visa credit. We're going to do track 1 discretionary data. We're going to copy this. We're going to put that there. We're going to do the same thing. Put the country code 0840. 0840. I think I pretty much messed up, guys. I forgot to put the IST file in. Let me go ahead and do that. That's my fault. Them simple mistakes always get me. Alright. And make sure you have the same IST file that goes with the first 6 number. It has to go with the bin. Other than that, you're just wasting your time. Let me see, where is it at? Visa credit. Okay. There we go. Yeah, I just wasted my time. A little bit. It doesn't matter. Just redo it. It's simple. Do another space. Now what we're going to do is going to copy this back. Do that. Put this number right here. Alright, we're going to move this to the side. And we're going to get our master EMV decrypt here. Guys, this is also what you need. It honestly is the best way to make this work. You're going to take your track 2 first 16-digit number, and you're going to put it right here on your pen. Alright, what you're going to do is you're going to change the date. So the date with mine would be, let's go back so you guys can see, it would be 22/02/28. So that's exactly what you put, 02/28. Now what you're going to do is you're going to change the country code, which is right here, and you're going to change the currency code, which is right here, and that is all you guys need to do. Now we're going to generate the arc. So we're going to do, so the arc would be this right here. So we're going to generate. So I'm going to take this arc, and we're going to put it right here. On the IST load, I'm going to copy and paste. You only need one, guys. You only need to do this one time. So now what we're going to do, we're going to burn it. If it doesn't take long, if it doesn't take at least 10 seconds, you didn't do it right, guys. Alright, we're going to go to EMV. And make sure you hit credit one more time, because the burn can overload the JavaScript. I mean the Visa script. So we got to go back and press credit again. And now we're going to minimize both of these, get these out the way, and we're going to go back to CardPeek. We're going to clear it out, and now we're going to hit EMV. Now we're going to hit Visa Credit. Let me open this up wide. You guys can skip this part if you want to. It does has a couple of errors, but that's part of the process. It doesn't hurt anything, guys. You'll see an error, but it doesn't hurt anything at all. See, look right here, error, but it doesn't hurt anything. This card still works perfectly fine, guys. Still gonna do that, okay. It should reach about 2600 here. It shouldn't, I think it's gonna go past 2600 though, but usually it stops at 2600. Alright guys, there we go. We got Chase Bank right here, Visa Credit. This is the track 2 right here. Alright, we're looking pretty good. Online PIN entered. Discretionary data, the track 2. And that's it right there, guys. That's pretty much the whole little process on it. Make sure you guys subscribe for more tutorials on swiping. I'm gonna go do an in-person one right after this video just so you guys can see. So make sure you subscribe, man, and keep it pushing, man. Make sure you join the Telegram group chat. Alright, talk to you guys later.